Once a crow looked at a swan and thought how beautiful the swan is. She had all white feathers, whereas the crow was black. The crow expressed his thoughts to the swan. The swan replied, "According to me, the parrot is the most beautiful bird as it has two colors and the swan has just one." Next, the crow approached the parrot, who simply said, "The peacock is the most beautiful than me, as it is multicolored." Then the crow expressed that his thoughts to the peacock. The peacock replied, "My dear crow, you are the luckiest bird on the planet, as you are never caged. Because of my beauty, I am trapped in the cage and you are free." Hearing this, the crow thought how foolish he had been and thanked God for making him the way he was. Moral: never compare yourself to others. Be happy in what you are and what you have.